Eh, you know they vote. Eh?
I go. Now yeah, they come.
Oh boy, see eh. You don't think way production people call us so. Eh? You know say if they call me and they carry you go now. And the ones who will go say then they lamba us say no money, nothing.
Forget those people. See now yeah, they come also.
Eh? So guys, you like they like we just dey eat.
Mr. Ray.
Not be juju be that.
Chai!
What?
Oh boy, you say, how many times I don't carry go film? And yet you don't know how film people. These people are production people now. Shut up. I look those people well. Production people. Yes, now we go chop. We go do. Tell them to give us material. Act like Taskforce. You understand it? If they don't give us anything, at least we go chop location food.
What?
We don't get better job is today now. Oh boy, just cooperate yourself. You understand? Your location.
Taskforce. Assistant Taskforce. Nice one, nice one.
Oh boy, this guy is right.
Oh boy, this guy is tight.
This tight.
You know the one with the secret pastor? That they are side effects. That they are effects, soundtrack.
I think I'm going to join them now.
I go join. I go active for this life.
Hey, Alpha, where your director or DOP? Eh? This is why they talk. You don't know. Oh, see this period, they always say serious. I go pump you, they chose. So, where your director or producer, and I go just come for people grant they chose. What did they worry you? Leave here now.
Bros, man, I know this. Say, oh boy, see, this thing will be like film. I tell you before, this people are rich one.
Oh, but you, why your bodies have the fear? Eh?
Show me fear with the This is something in life.
Besides, they show your fear out. See, these people are just actors. If they use us play, they mad. You know, come on, man, up become Taskforce. You understand me? Do like locations. Let's move, go collect something. Where your director? Where your PM?
Young man, leave here now.
Check God, check God. See,
and a good day. Well done, eh?
Come on. You know what I be for this state? Like I tell you, when I start to dey shoot film, you know why they shoot film, oh? Because if I allow my chain cut, if I enter vibration, you go.
Bros, no vex, abeg.
I go note you. Wetin dey worry you? Where your director?
I heard my name.
I'll slap you. Why do you feel like this now? You don't make my mind cut. Which witch? Now after effects with this now.
Hey! Oh, Mumu not too much.
Just you know the fear. These people are film graduates, so. They do a real, make it real. You
Hey,
understand?
Mumu man.
Lord spiritual mother, you're welcome. Your willing sacrifice are here.
Hey! This guy they call us feeling like more they come dance, more they come.
You think say they wise?
Stop. Come back here.
Hey!
She wants to act.
No.
And you also a task force.
No.
I have a role for you.
Now.
We don't be actors.
You will act.
No. You say you go act.
You must act.
Hey! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Mumu man! Sorry.
Mr. Reno, you don't come, oh. You know they play, oh, when you're on fire.